to see results in 14 days. Before 2026 comes, use this to grow your hair. You are going to see massive results. Onions is one of that remedy that can never be overemphasized, because there is an element inside onions called sulfur, and this sulfur element is everything to natural hair. Being it is relaxed, natural. If you are suffering from dandruff, hair loss, thinning hair, all the hair problems you are counting on, bring it to your Lord Jesus Christ. He has the solution, and he has given the solution to us in the natural way. Why not embrace it? Hello icons, welcome back in today's video. In today's video is about two natural ingredients, which is onions and coffee in one combination. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Break the onions in the pieces that it can be able to extract from the onions itself and release it inside the water easily. That's why I'm chopping it in small sections, in small sizes. Next ingredient which we'll be using is coffee. Coffee stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. It has an element in it called caffeine. Caffeine will stimulate blood flow. The main purpose of adding coffee inside this combination, coffee can exfoliate the scalp. That means your environment from the scalp, it will be clean. And if you are buying coffee, make sure you check the expiring date so that you know what you are using. Then add chopped onion into a pot. Add water. Just 1 cup of water is okay. Allow the onion juice to cook for some minutes before you add in the coffee or the caffeine. If you want to get the best results using this combination, use it at least for 1 month before you conclude the results, because it actually works, and if you stick with it for almost a year, you will see a drastic change in your hair care routine. Thank you so much for watching this far. Please do also like and subscribe to my channel. I love you. I also add a little oil. You know, the side effect of coffee, it is so drying to the scalp, and when you are applying coffee, you have to get a backup of moisture retention, and you have to add in your oil. That's the reason why I add some oil into this recipe. This cook for 15 minutes. I take it out of the fire, save it with my wig cap, or you can use a cheesecloth to do this. Allow it to cool down and pour it into your spray bottle. This will help your hair sit. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. If you are here with me before, I'm grateful that you are back. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are loving this video so far, please do well to like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Have you tried it before, and what was your result? If you have not tried it before, are you going to try it from today and see this recipe? Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. For me, it actually worked for me, and it's something I can recommend next person. So I use this for 14 days. Anyways, I am on a hair growth challenge. If you want to join, you can subscribe and follow me on Facebook. My page is icon2a. Yeah, that's my page. I post there regularly so that we can keep in touch with each other and share our pictures. So thank you. If you enjoy, keep watching. See how potent this looks? That is how potent it's going to work on your hair. It is not magic, but it's consistency of use that will give you massive results. So there is no magic when it comes to growing your hair, but it's how far you can go by treating your hair. You can see the length. Then I went ahead to spray this on my entire hair. I massage it into my scalp because I want it to actually work and stimulate that blood flow to see results in 14 days. And I have a lot of growth when I was using this, because I believe that this recipe also contributes to the growth I had during this period. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe, stay tuned with me. Before 2026 comes, use this to grow your hair. You are going to see massive results before 2026. And if you have any goals in 2026, this is time for you to prepare. Preparing ahead of time is the best way ever. I hope that makes sense. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in my next video. Kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.